I don't think people understand how easy it is to fix your Brother printer's ink issues. Let me show you. First, double-check that the ink cartridges are compatible with your Brother printer model. Sometimes simple mismatches can cause the problem. Next, make sure the protective tape on the cartridge is removed. This tape covers the ink nozzle and contacts, and if it's still on, your printer won't recognize the cartridge. Now turn off your printer and unplug it from the wall. Wait about a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it back on. This resets the printer and often fixes recognition issues. Still not working? Carefully clean the cartridge contacts with a lint-free cloth and a bit of rubbing alcohol. Dust and residue can prevent proper connection. Finally, update your printer's firmware. Manufacturers release updates to fix bugs, and this might be the solution you need. Check Brother's website for the latest version. If none of these steps work, contact Brother support for assistance. Their experts can provide more in-depth help. So there you have it. Simple steps to get your Brother printer recognizing ink cartridges again. Happy printing!